In this video, we are going to review Photoprism versus Immich. Which one is the best? Photoprism versus Immich, these are two of the top self-hosted photo management tools in 2025. Now starting with Photoprism, it's feature-rich, AI-powered photo library, it runs on your server, supports facial recognition, duplicate detection, and even raw image previews. The UI is clean and organized. And now let's talk about Immich. It's the rising star in the self-hosted scene and seamless mobile syncing. Immich feel like a private Google Photos. So which one you should pick? Choose Photoprism if you are a power user who wants deep search, AI soaring, and pro features. And go with Immich if you want a fast, modern, and mobile friendly experience with auto upload and privacy first.